Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Drive with third-party apps. Alright, so the first thing we want to do on the left-hand side is make sure that we are first in Google Drive. We're going to go into the New button, click on New, come all the way down where it says More, open that up, and right at the bottom you'll see it says Connect More Apps. This will allow you to connect a whole bunch of third-party apps, okay? So here we've got a filter on here, so this is specifically for Google Drive. I'm going to keep that filter on, and then you want to make sure that it works with Drive specifically. Now you can also tick off one or two other tools if you'd like, but I'm going to leave it exactly like this. And then we want to search for either free or paid. Now, as you can see here, there are so many. You can also go up to the top and there is a search bar, and then you can just open this up in a new window. So this is the Google Workspace Marketplace. I'm going to go ahead and click on Canva. You'll now see the opportunity to connect your account. You'll now see that Canva integrations wants access to your Google account. So here you want to just know what access you are giving. I'm going to select all because this is my account, so I want everything fully connected. Now, if you do give this just a few seconds, you'll see it says Canva has been installed. And here you can see you can make Canva the default app for files that it can open. So if you do make it the default file opener, whenever you have files in your Google Drive, Canva will be the one that it opens with. Okay, so it's your default running app. Let's just close this over here. So you'll now see on the right hand side that Canva has appeared. We're going to click on this and you'll now see that you can actually use Canva right in. So you're either going to sign in or log in, and then you'll have access to Canva, and well, you'll have access to any app that you download, which is a third-party app for Google Drive.